guys, welcome to my channel. This is Rima, your Austin local realtor, and today you guys are going to be the first one to view this model home. It has not been videoed before. They have just opened up. It is located right here in Round Rock, Texas. It's a Coventry builder and it's a Schertz Model plan. Let's go ahead and get started. As you guys step inside, you are greeted with open high ceilings. From the spacious layout to the impeccable finishes, every detail of the Coventry Schertz model reflects luxury and comfort. With 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 3.5 garage, the floor plan offers ample space for you and your family to thrive. Whether it's hosting gatherings or enjoying quiet moments, this home provides the perfect backdrop for cherished memories. As you go upstairs, you will enter into game room and a media room. Guys, let me tell you one thing. We have used our game and media room quite a bit with family gathering, and just kids having play dates and having their own space with their friends to enjoy is truly wonderful. Few things that I love about this home is that it offers 2 bedrooms downstairs. There are plenty of windows in this model, allowing lots of natural sunlight. Master closet connecting to your laundry makes it so easy to do your laundry. Guys, when you are walking into these model homes, do factor in upgrades. These model homes have tons of upgrades, and to make a home to look exactly like the model can be costly. Make sure you factor those costs in when you are getting ready to pick up your selections for the home. I highly recommend you do structural upgrades and then do your cosmetics. Okay guys, you gotta tell me one thing that you must have in your home. Comment below and tell me what is that one thing that you must have in a house. This community, like I said, it is located in Round Rock, Texas. They only have roughly 200 homes with very low tax rate, and it's so central to all your lifestyle needs. If you're looking to build in Round Rock, you know there is not that many communities that are left that are only new constructions. And this is why I know these lots will be selling fast, as it's a very highly desirable place to live. Many may already know, being in a healthcare background as a nurse and a parent of twins, I understand the importance of having everything you need within reach. And this is what this community has to offer. Everything is within literally 10 minutes away. If you guys enjoyed this tour, comment below yes, and make sure to schedule your call today and get the latest details on what's available. These lots are selling fast, and if you like something, make sure you don't wait, as it can be taken by another buyer. If you want to learn about Round Rock, Texas, make sure to watch this video next. Thanks for watching. See you next time.